Yeah man, they pick some tomato with Uncle Kinsey, you know?
Oh yeah man. I don't know, headache, that's all.
Yeah, man.
I reap, you know?
A farming, not true?
Yeah man. So farming, go man.
Tomato. So by the time you pick these tomato now, Uncle Kinsey, then well, you put them down and they ripe.
I know me ripe them man. Me sell it green.
You sell it green?
Same green stuff. Man I come for it. As me done pick it if you call the brother to come take it.
Oh.
A 10 ton, you know, 10 ton out a big yard there.
Okay.
And him meat them. As you come off and scale you up. You call it, you know, and that. Yeah.
So how much bucket to get out of this now, Uncle Kinsey?
I know it's a couple buckets too. Couple grams me had this for me so that you go to pick. Couple buckets. You want it, can go video it on that tree there, you know.
Oh, so you have it on any tree there, so?
Yeah. You want it, can go video.
That's a farming thing, go man. So what you have plant now, Uncle Kinsey?
I'm going to do that tomato, you know.
Yeah?
I want a piece over there, so.
Oh, okay.
But I want a small one. Piece over there.
So this is what, the big tomato?
Yeah, man, a big one. Yeah, the big one, you know. Two small one over there. Yeah, the big one. See, he told me I tell you the video.
So this is all the tomato that Uncle Kinsey picked so far to sell. So you see how the tomato green? Well, that's how they pick it and then they ripe it and then they send it to the market. You just pick it and call him and he just come pick it up.
Back to you, straight to you.
See it there? There you see how them do it, guys. So Uncle Kinsey pick it like what it is right now, green. And then now in the call the guy will bring it to the market and then we ripe it. And you're ready.
Yeah.
Cause if you pick it ripe and then by the time you get to the market, it's not good.
It's soft, man.
Soft.
So you can't go down through from being place where him right.
Yeah. Man.
Yeah, man. That's how it be.
This is the farming life, you know?
Yeah, man.
In the country.
Yeah. Yeah, faith, you know.
Yeah.
And sometimes you not get profit. Yeah, man.
Nice. Yeah, man. Look on tomato, man. And these are the bigger type of tomato too, you know, as you can see, guys. See? They're ripe. Because you don't want to pick them when they're too ripe. Because by the time they get to the market, soft.
When you pick the green one, you know, if you see what couple start ripe, you know that.
Yes.
You know, when they sell now, they're not taking time for ripe.
They're not taking the time for ripe. Okay. Nice.
So when you come now, you get take out the ripe one now. Put them different.
Yeah, man. So you joke like two, so what that watermelon, Uncle Kinsey?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. 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 So how long now? How long you have this again? Like when you plant it, how long it take for you to reach up here? So reach this. 3 months. Yeah, man. Nice to see, you know? So you start from up there, so Uncle Kinsey. You start from up there, so pick come down. Oh. Oh. Mm-hmm. So I go here, man. Yeah, man, cause you see the picking now, you know, that's where you go when you see like eh?
A couple times we plant here so I lose you know.
Yeah? For what?
Yeah.
Dry weather?
And sometimes it burn off and I get
Oh. That's why one time when I get like a rain on a glad for it.
yeah, man. After farming where after sometimes you get there sometimes you not get it.
True. That's all.
You can't frown, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
When I get in the rain.
That's true.
Every when I send rain, me that just fall from me garden alone. Oh, you know.
Right.
Oh, you know. But now we have all you know.
Mm. So like what kind of tree had down there, so Uncle Kinsey? Yeah, pear tree.
Yeah, man. The pear tree they know all about. But they're not, you know, so they don't go beer 1/2 dozen this year.
Yeah?
They're not beer much this year.
Oh.
Also, they go beer couple money this year. Sometimes when they beer man,
Mm-hmm.
everybody eats beer off.
Pear nice.
You never beer this year at all. Because if the frost or well, they hot, the frost, they know burn off it up.
Yeah.
Burn off that. Burn off.
Tomato them look pretty though, man.
Yeah, man.
So you say you get more tomato out of this?
Yes, man. All of them you know where you see a left here, you know, go get in there. Yeah, man.
Just need a shower rain now.
You like how we see master now, you can get far here, you know, trail them back up.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Left you know, man, them want to fill it.
Swell up. Yeah.
Yeah, me buy the thing when me a spray in the train, me might make it swell them, you know?
Yeah. Nice, man, nice.
Farming cost money,
You say farming costs money?
How we have that,
Cause you have to buy the spray and all of them thing there, you know?
and the fertilizer, if you not get here, you have to buy water and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Farming cost money,
Man. So you go, man, boy. A lot of people say them plant in them garden and then those things say just come, so you have to spend money.
You see, brother, where I go buy this tomatoes.
Yeah.
In the big farming.
In the big farming too.
Yeah, man. What a David.
Oh.
You know, my brother David do.
Yeah.
What a field. For sale in farm.
Oh.
When plant 10,000 whole long go pick one keg like this.
In plant 10,000 whole a tomato and only pick one bucket out of it.
One bucket like that.
So that's why. Bad,
In a beer.
in a beer.
You know, sir.
So you see how come you can't just lose half of it just like that?
I tell you, I remember say, if you plant 10,000 whole of tomatoes now, whole cacao,
A lot.
I remember say a jeep him set it on.
You set it with the drip?
Oh. Set it on jeep.
Yeah.
So plant piece of melon, you don't know about that now, jeepy.
You got drippy?
Oh. Jeep hose them and something. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, jeep them up.
Yeah, man, it's a nice little tomato garden this, man.
Yeah, man.
And you beer too? Beer.
One time already.
Yeah.
Yeah man, now look at price I run for you.
Yeah man.
Tell me your fetch one.
Alright, I'm Kinsey.
Nothing else you again for my deal.
Yeah man, I'll leave man. Yeah man.